So let's talk about Amazon Workspaces. So it's a managed desktop as a service, so DaaS solution to easily provision Windows or Linux desktop. So the idea is that it is going to be a solution that is going to allow you to eliminate what's called on-premises VDI, so virtual desktop infrastructure. So the idea is that if someone wants to have a Windows laptop in the cloud, they can do so using Workspaces. It's fast and it quickly scales to thousands of users. It's secured because it's integrated with KMS, and it's pay-as-you-go service, so you only pay for the usage of these actual desktops. So you're a user, you're maybe at home, and you want to access a secure Windows desktop from within AWS. You would provision one using Workspaces, and then you would get access to your cloud or your corporate data center directly from this virtual desktop that is going to be secure and maybe within your VPC. So that's the idea behind Workspaces. If you see anything related to virtual desktops or managed desktop as a service, think Workspaces. Finally, there's been some questions in the exam about minimizing latencies for Workspaces. So if you have, for example, two corporate offices in California and Paris and users there, the best practice is to deploy Workspaces as close as possible to users. So you would deploy maybe one workspace in the US, and then your California user would access that workspace directly from there. And the other one would be obviously to place another workspace closer to your European users in Europe. And so the idea is here, you'd have as many workspace regions as center locations you have for your company to minimize latency. And overall, if you want to minimize latency, always think about deploying close to users. Okay, so not just Workspaces, but any other app. If you want to minimize latency, deploy it as many times as possible across the world, close to your users. So that's it for this lecture. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next lecture.